Around the area this afternoon and into the early evening. No real pattern to this. It's feeding off of these little outflow boundaries in the atmosphere, and the heaviest activity is dying off very quickly, but it's around St. Charles County near Weldon Spring and Hamburg, and then into Franklin County along Highway 50 and Interstate 44, Leslie, Union, Robertsville, down to about Lone Dell. These have been fairly strong over the last 30 minutes or so, but they're losing quite a bit of intensity right now. And they're drifting to the north, and that's the heaviest activity of the group in the St. Louis area. You can really see how the overall coverage has really been starting to shrink over the last 10 minutes or so. These continue, though, to be pulse thunderstorms. They fire up, they drift, they do their thing, then die, but capable of still some heavy tropical downpours of rain and some intense lightning. They are drifting to the north, but these things will die out quickly with the setting sun, and again, they're losing their intensity quickly at this stage of the game. Neat look with our time lapse of the sky, and you can really see the bubbling action in the atmosphere with pockets of rain and thunder. Very unsettled looking sky, though we're starting to go a little flat as we get closer to sunset. Those clouds, though, helping to knock our temperatures down a couple of degrees. High temperatures, lots of 90s to near 100 degrees over the bi-state region. Just northern Illinois staying in the 80s. 98 visited in St. Louis. But if you got under one of these thunderstorms, temperatures drop to about 80 to 85 degrees, and the heat index in the soup, pretty intense stuff as the dangerous heat continues, especially for the city over the next couple of days. So watch the skies. Still a chance of a couple of thunderstorms over the next couple of hours. Real hit and miss. The action is dying out. Otherwise, we are looking at a summertime evening across the St. Louis area. Sandy?
All right, Dave, thanks. The already hot temperatures early this morning made it difficult on firefighters at a St. Peter's business. 2 firefighters were treated for dehydration while fighting a fire at the KMD Linen Company. Firefighters stood under water hoses to help cool down. A dangerous combo, household chemicals and heat. Fox 2 meteorologist Chris Higgins reports fire investigators say the most likely cause, spontaneous combustion from a can of stain left near the back deck.
He tells me that his wife woke him up and that she thought that there was a burglar